Hey, how y'all doing? We're getting another early morning start, which really, I'm just running late again. Well, not really. Got to be there by 10. That's what they said. You know, Joe from Backroads rider. Yeah, riding with them again. You think I'm retired or something? Yeah, run that intro. We'll talk about it. I want to talk about something else, too. Some other stuff. You know, stuff that's on my noggin. So, I was looking at something I noticed last night when come in raining. Somebody ran off in the ditch, ran off the road. Oh me! Yesterday I came in prop up thunderstorms. You know, it was about 7:30, something like that. One load of wheat deal. I had, 4th of July week. This is 4th of July week. Happy 4th of July. Hope you didn't blow your fingers off on the fireworks. Or did you shoot fireworks? You ain't even looking. I ain't even got you turned on yet. But anyway, yeah. So, how y'all doing? I was talking about them thunderstorms and all. Walking in and I said, how about, what's up? I don't know. What's up, everybody? What's up? Oh man, I got so many, so many names running through my head. Oh, me. How about we just do one for the wife? What's up, her three wheels? There's a story behind that. I might tell you someday. Well, you probably know it. It just takes it a minute, so we're going to ride over to that pilot again. I need some. No, I don't. I got 3/4 of tank. Doggy in the road. Get off the road, doggy. Good doggy. Uh-oh. What's this? Another doggy? Uh-oh, this doggy's running from us. He don't know where he's going. He's going to get you. I'm 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 going to get you. Just don't come on this side of the road. Hey, I'm going to get you. Which way you going? Now he's chasing me. Good morning to you. It's 9:20 and I got 40 minutes to... I'm not going to get gas. I like, half a tank, 3/4, 60 miles from here. See all the dirt? That's what we're rushing down through here. Look at here. See that? Dirt from the driveways from people. That's something else you got to watch for when you're out riding and roads you don't normally ride down. Some of them driveway, it's that tree leaning over. Beep, me. Which way am I going to go? Which way would be quickest? Go down to 100 through town, run around to 27 and down, hit the interstate. They all about the same. Probably go, I'm going to go this way. That way, there's trees down up there. You know, it been down. It was down before 4th of July. Severe thunderstorms. So, nothing coming that way, nothing coming that way. You gotta be careful because you can't see because the limbs are down. Hanging down, low-lying fruit. What I was going to talk about, I'm just talking about it now, you know. We're going to ride over to Dogtown, Alabama. You probably couldn't find it on the map if you tried. It's called Big Time Cafe. I never eat there. I've been by it a bunch of times. It's over near Little River Canyon. We might ride Little River Canyon. Maybe. I hope we do. I like that road. It's one of them roads you got to be careful on after rain because there's a lot of driveways on it some places and water and debris and all like that. Hey, could be the waterfall at Little River Falls. Might be falling pretty good. We could go chase waterfalls. Go swimming. But that ain't what I was going to talk about. I was going to talk about superstitious. No, maybe. Anxiety. Yeah, maybe. I get it a lot. I'm getting it more. That I like talking this, like talking one-on-one, you know. I hope you got audio. I think I put it on 3. You know, sometimes it don't work. No, don't need to come right no more. Ain't motorcycle. Let me look at something here. Is this one recording? Nope. It was. Look at this crap there. Look at. Can I see that? This man has blowed his grass all over the road. I mean, completely. All over the road. You're an asshole blowing your grass on the road. The landowner, this is bullshit crap. Just get me started. So I'm guessing I'm gonna get 91 or 92 dead dinosaurs a day just to be on the safe side. Yep. They're getting gas now. There they are. We'll get some go-go juice. Some 92 dead dinosaurs. I don't want to be that guy. We got 2 girls on the Can-Ams over there, or Rikers. Well, they are Can-Ams, Can-Am Rikers. Time lapse today. I was the last one to show up. We'll put it in gear. They get their pumps. So, I guess we're going this way today. So we're going to ride to Big Time Cafe over in Dogtown, Georgia. Like I was saying before, I was interrupted by the grass on the road. You probably wouldn't know what Dogtown is. It's above Fort Payne. So nobody put it in gear. Come on, put it in gear. So I was down. Yep, let's see, what am I doing? Recent, because I put it in there, and there it is. It's over in, actually, the address says Fort Payne, but everybody call it Dogtown. So I'm pretty sure we're going to go up through, I don't know which way he's going to go. Okay, through Cave Springs or Cedartown or both. I bet we're going to go all the way up. The 113, cut across through Cedartown maybe, then up 100. I don't know. I don't know if he's going to ride the Little River Canyon on the way down or way up after we leave lunch. Am I recording? Yep, I'm still recording. GoPro start recording. So, we got Joel from Backroad Rider, Collins, Colin and Mark, and me. So there's 4 of us today, and that's a Thursday the 6th. Yeah, no parking right here. Yep, looks like we'll probably go up 13. This is Temple, Georgia, Temple Police Department right on the other side of the road right there with their, well, they ain't good deal. They got American flags and not them Blue Line Gang flags that they got one inside. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. Don't know where I'm going. It says 88 miles from here, so that's be a pretty good ride. Good thing I did fill up. I figured it'd be about 70 miles or so. Yeah, hey, how you doing? I don't forget who I did what up for this morning. Or did I do a what's up? Anyway, what's up, everybody? This Blue Bike Noise channel. Is that truck supposed to be on this road? They have a funeral. believe he might be lost too. Cause I think you can go that way as long as you stay on the truck route. I think there's a truck route. I know you some rural tracks you can't cross. Look at this, grass on the road. Grass on the road. Little bit of grass. This is Downtown Temple, the historic Downtown Temple, Georgia. It says no trucks right here because of deep angle. If he's going back this way, he'll run into even more problems. We'll see. What is he going to do? He's still sitting back there. He's debating on it. He's done lost. Yeah. Is he going to try it? Is he going to try it? I can't. I'm watching him in the mirror and you can't see. No, he's not going to try it. I can't see him no more. Oh well. GoPro stop recording. So I'm on time lapse. That's what I'm doing now. I'm time lapsing this ride right here. So when I turn around here, it's gonna go real quick, so I go real slow. Hey. Oh me. Alright, kick the. You see what I just did on time lapse now. Folks, we over in Leesburg, Alabama. That cloud looks like it's getting a damn pull on us. Maybe not. We don't like but about 15 minutes maybe. At least 14 miles. So maybe it'll blow over us. Probably will. But that's summertime in the south. Afternoon thunderstorms all day long. Sometimes scattered, isolated. What's the difference? Scattered means there are more of them, and isolated means there's less of them. Could be. Welcome to San Ron. There's a secret bread breakfast right up here. Yeah, see right there, it says secret. It's a secret, but it's a bed and breakfast. Never stayed there. We're gonna turn, yep. Thought we would. Mama fresh veggie. Alright, I don't know how much more I got battery life or whatever. I was thought about taking it off. I took this one off because I don't want to change the battery. Already. Parked in the shade. Oh, kickstand. It did rain while I was in there, very little, because the roads are done dry. So we're gonna ride through Little River Canyon. May catch this thunderstorm. I don't think it rained that any here. Will look like we might catch it. I hope not. Yep, we'll see. I guess it's about time I wash these jeans anyway, so if you get it wet, I'll just pull over real quick, throw the cameras in the bag, and keep on rolling, right? Mr. G says, we'll see Mr. G. Well, I'll see him next week, but you'll see him in a couple weeks. You'll see this after I done see Mr. G, more than likely, but man, yeah, we don't know about all that cloudy rain and stuff. We might catch it, we might not. It might rain on us, it might not. It might be, yeah, curvy roads and wet rain and don't look too goody. At least we're close to the house, so still be miserable. Anyway, that was good food. I had the special pork roast with green beans and carrots and potatoes. I guess they ran out of potatoes because they started their okra and then they ran out of it and then they took it off the menu. But it was real good. Home cooking. Looks like we headed into the storm. I don't like that. I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get wet. But we're going to get wet. Cool us off, I guess. Maybe, maybe not. That's what you get. If you don't chance it, you don't ride sometimes, especially this time of the year. It's like every day is a 50-50 chance, 100% if it's getting raining on you. But you can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you in a little while. Well, we're going to catch you in the next video. Later.